You? Oh, it does. Josh has been over here. Woo! Ew, seriously, it smells like Justina's boyfriend. It's really gross.
Right?
No! Josh! Okay, dude. We're setting this on my mailbox. Okay. And we're running down our road.
That way.
Which way you want to go?
I don't know.
Let's go this way.
Oh, my toes.
If it will stay. Okay, let's go. We have to do weird things too. Ah! You can't get over here.
You have to jump, what the heck?
There's people.
Okay, you're good.